We have a MakeFit shower head. Alright, so we've got the installation here. Flow resistor, remove it for higher pressure. Obviously you want some higher pressure. So I got this matte black because silver is just boring. So it looks pretty cool. So a little button here on the head. So it has different settings if you move this from left to right. Although for some reason I can't do it with one hand. There we go. Alright, so then we've got this. This goes down at the bottom of the shower head. So about here. So it fits in like this. So that water also sprays out to you from the side. So looks like a pretty easy installation. Should take just a few minutes. And that's it, that's in here. No, there you go. There's the holes. I knew we were missing something. Alright, so there's the hose for it, so you can make it longer. A little stopper. This looks like a pretty easy installation. We'll get it installed and then I will test it out. There we go. Alright, we'll go ahead and test it out. So this part is up. It was easy as removing the shower head, just twisting it off, and then just twisting this one on. Easy, just make sure this part is facing down. Next, we're going to take this part here. One of these is going to attach to the bottom of the gray part that's hanging down. These little blue things, just twist them out, and then there's a washer that's already in there. You're just going to leave that there. And this one already has a washer as well. And it does come with an extra one, just in case you need it. So we are all set up. So super easy. This literally takes like 5 minutes to install. So again, first you just take the old one off, put this new one on, just make sure it's tight so it doesn't leak. This little hose here, you're gonna screw this side in here, already has a washer. This side already has a washer, screw it in. And then looks like it's not all the way in, but it's as tight as I can get it. And shower heads here. So these, you can switch to which mode you want. So it looks like lock, unlock. Can't tell what the other one is. And that one has a different, this one actually has a different modes. So for now, we're gonna switch it to the bottom one. So this is the front jet mode. And then you have the regular shower curtain mode. Shower head. This is the regular shower head mode. And this is both. But that's it, super simple, 5 minutes, new shower head. If you have low water pressure, this side here has a flow restrictor, looks like this. Just make sure you pull this out and then you'll have better water pressure.
On a spray head, you have this outer spray. And you have an outer and an inner spray. Inner spray only. And then you can get a mixture of inner spray and this like mist setting. Like really, it almost feels like a breeze. And back to the middle where the outer spray is spraying, and then you go one more click and you got spray and massage. Massage only. And then massage and like a misty massage. Or now you can do just misty massage only. And on top of the head, we got this black button that by default is goes to the front, I guess the bottom you'd call it, of the spray head. But then if you press it the other way, it shoots at the front. So I guess that's good for like for rinsing your shower from a distance. Anyway, there. Hand sprayer. Front sprayer. And mix of both.
The MakeFit shower head. Very easy to install. Instructions say install in a minute. Definitely can be done. This is the filter is actually sealed, so you don't see the filtration beads. Water pressure is excellent. Let me show you. Bunch of different settings. You just use the head by itself, or you can put on the fountain. Very high pressure. That's the fountain alone. Depends on the speed. If you want to use the head and the fountain, you go up. Now you have your fountain and the head. If you're wondering about the front spray, the button on top sprays out very nice, very high pressure. Super nice shower head. Highly recommend it.
So forgive the background, but I was a bit skeptical, man. But the pressure is definitely high pressure, like definitely high pressure. You got these different setting features. You can hear it hitting the tub. The mister with the pressure, another mister setting, and you got the off setting, right? And then you got the shower. And you can hear how hard that pressure is with that mister. The mister is A1, man. I can't, like, video don't even do justice, but I love it. You got the single feature. You got that feature with just the pressure is high. It's amazing though. And you got the, look at the pressure on that, right? Pressure is A1. Holding it at an angle. You're getting the full pressure at the angle. Nothing sets off. But all in all, I love it. Like I said, excuse my shower. Perfect. A1.
Here you have it, guys. I just took a shower. I didn't think it was going to fit because my shower's upright and it's fairly small, as you can see. But oh my gosh, talk about a wonderful experience. And this guy here, you have the option, you have the option to turn this on or off. And then you have several settings here on how the water flows, right at this dial here. Or you can do the combination of both, obviously. So, yeah, I was just sharing with my wife. I feel good on my back. My stress is typically towards the neck and upper back. So I just sat in there for a bit just to kind of try all the different settings, find the one that best fits you. This guy here actually pivots pretty low. As you can see, I have to have it that way, which is perfect because my positioning is typically in the middle, right? So just adjust it accordingly. Very simple, all hand tight. Don't need any type of tools whatsoever. But yeah, it's definitely worth the buck, especially with the discounts. So there it is.
Okay, so we received this today and we put it up. It's very easy to put up. Let me turn it on. Real powerful. Okay, King. Do the settings.
Down.
Plus 1, 2.
Let's go from the beginning.
There we go.
Oh, it turns around. Okay, got.
You're going down your sleeve. Yeah. And look at this. It shoots and hits your neck. Sorry. I was thinking the first go round it went all in my face. I said, oh my God, it's going everywhere. But it's nice. You know it's nice. We just clumsy with it.
Este me gustó. Este es pequeño, pero tiene aquí tiene varios como las opciones de cambiar la salida del agua. Acá tiene otra salida de agua que me parece chévere porque tiene varios huequitos y es necesaria, como la necesitaba. Pensé que era un poco más grande esto, pero pues, anyway, lo necesitaba. Turn this knob, it has that, and that has like 9 different settings. But that ring is the most amazing experience. Too much. That's on combo, and then a full shower. That's the only one that actually works.
And you?